Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Explorer battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and safety glasses. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting. The battery is usually found under the hood, often on the passenger side, secured by a hold-down clamp. Now, let's disconnect the old battery safely. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This prevents accidental short circuits. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative cable, then carefully remove the cable. After that, disconnect the positive terminal, and finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp to free the battery. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and terminal clamps to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it securely, and then connect the negative terminal, ensuring both are snug. You're almost done. Double-check all your connections to make sure they are tight and secure. Then, start your engine to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery. Most auto parts stores or recycling centers will accept it, often for a small core charge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.